Hello everyone. So hope you guys all good. ఈరోజు నేను నా వీకెండ్ ట్రిప్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నానండి. సో యాక్చువల్గా ఐఎమ్ ప్లానింగ్ టు గో టు విజయవాడ. సో అక్కడ ఏదో కొండపల్లి ఫోర్ట్ ఉందండి అక్కడ. సో అదేదో ఇంతవరకు నేను ఎప్పుడు చూడలేదు. ఒకసారి చూద్దామని ప్లాన్ చేసుకుని వెళ్తున్నాను. సో లెట్స్ గో.
Hit my head on the concrete back in high school. Knocked out cold.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet
Cause
next
I don't
to me.
give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
change, become an advocate for taking control of your life. Go out and battle, and you think you have a dream, then act get after it. Get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future. We all start losers. We're all late bloomers. Gotta struggle through the sewer.
What you say? Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Concrete back in high school. Knocked out cold, but I still remember it so well. Had my first dance and my first heartbreak. Made some friends that I still have, and I could tell. It's the good and bad and the best of memories. It's been so long, but you still remember me. After all these years, I found out finally that I can't go back or change it, but I wouldn't trade a moment. Everybody is moving on to new things. We're still young, but looking back's like history. Oh, and all of the memories that we made will last a lifetime. And even the worst ones made us who we are today. It's the good and bad and the best of memories. It's been so long, but you still remember me. After all these years, I found out finally that I can't go back or change it, but I wouldn't trade a moment. Summer nights and it's just you and me dreaming. Don't wanna wake up at all. Take a breath and let the evening breeze in. Watching the sun as it falls. Sit in the dark, sit in the silence. All of our problems feel small. Summer nights and you're the one that I dreamed of. Don't wanna wake up at all. Let's watch the stars ignite. There's no better place than right next to you. Feels like the stars ignite. There's no better